In this video, I will show you how we can add commands to the Quick Favorites menu, which we can access by pressing Q. Right now, it has nothing in there. So let's add a cube. I will go to Edit Mode, go to Face Select, select this top face, press X, and delete just the face. Very good. In computer models, we have an inside and an outside face. Right now we can really see this. Looks all the same. When we go to Overlay and go to Face Orientation, there we can see this. Red is inside, blue is outside. Now to see this face orientation in the quick menu with the mouse over here, I right click and say Add to Quick Favorites. Pretty nice. Now when I press Q, you see I can toggle this. If I go to Object Mode and press Q, it's not there. Because I only added this command to my Quick Favorites when I'm in Edit Mode, not Object Mode. To have access to this in Object Mode, I do the same. There you see now I have this in Object Mode or in Edit Mode. Pretty good. Okay. Another command which we will use a lot is when we go to the object data, when we have an object selected, we go to normals and have this auto smooth turned on. So also here, right click and say add to quick favorites. And when I click this, you see how this automatically is being turned on, again with an object selected. When I press Q, go to your command and then right click, I can remove it too. So this way you see we can remove them or add them again. The Quick Favorite is actually a super nice tool to access commands which we use a lot. You see they can be in an overlay, they can be in properties. They can actually also be in modeling. So we go to Edit Mode, press A to select everything, or we go select everything. So you see all this is selected. And when we go to Mesh and Normals, here we have Flip and Recalculate. So right now this might look really like nothing. But let's say here we click Flip. Okay. Then we click somewhere else, press Q, and turn this face orientation on. You see now that all the inside faces are outside. My object is inverted. Very often I want this to be, all faces have to be blue to the outside. In general, that's a rule. So to set this quickly up as a command, I will select everything. So when I can do something that's being applied to the whole object, go to Mesh, Normals, and then here to the outside, right click and say Add to my Quick Favorites. So when I, for example, select this one and I press Q, there it is. Or I select all, Q, outside. Very good. Okay. And there are obviously more commands which we are going to over time add to the Quick Favorite toolbar. I just want to leave it at this, simply as an introduction, so you can see how in Object Mode and in Edit Mode we can add various commands